I wasn't expecting this for a value resort, but they still keep the theming in these resorts. I don't know what those like tree stumps are supposed to be.
It's what you don't want to hit your boat on at the dockside.
Okay.
These things. You don't want to do that. That would be bad. How is it that we always get the rooms all the way at the end of the hallway?
They just know that we're foodies, so they want us to burn as many calories.
And there's our room right there.
Like an hour and 15 minutes away.
Dun dun dun! Right there. Oh wait, sorry. That's our room right there. Oh yeah, lights are off.
Lights are off, and then watch this. Check it out. See? Room key. Dun dun dun, like magic.
Like magic. Let's do the room tour.
I didn't even need my Harry Potter one. We love this room. It is nice and bright. It's got that summer vibe to it. Even though we're not at Surfside, we have a surfboard here. It makes me want to go surfing, but we got the 2-bedroom suite with the pool view room. So when you first walk in, you've got this kitchenette area with a picnic table, great for meals with the family, just hanging out, playing some games. And then you have a kitchenette over here. So your standard refrigerator, it's nice and cool in there. You have a microwave, a couple of shelves, your ice bucket, a little sink, and then your coffee maker. Nothing special, just a little coffee maker to get some coffee ready for you in the morning. If you open up this drawer here, you've got coffee. There you go. Your fix-ins or condiments and some plasticware. Down below you have some shelving to store any kind of cereal, snacks, whatever you'd like down there. We've got our cooler and some cleaning supplies. And then behind you is the room. So you have 3 queen beds in here, 2 queen beds in this first room, and then a queen bed we'll show you in the next room. So you have 3 drawers here. Over here is a little desk area. Here's the rundown, so good to know information that you need while you're staying here. Your phone, you only have 1 phone in here. You've got some plugins here, your USB, and then they have the in-room pizza delivery menu. So kind of a big thing, I think, at these resorts, but you can order pizza from 4 p.m. to midnight. So if you're having midnight munchies, you can order pizza and it'll be delivered to your room. Some nice inspired summer photos up here, someone surfing. This is nothing. I've tried to open this up. There's nothing in here, just a little table to put your cell phones or anything like that on there. TV remote.
It's not an escape room box.
It's not. Clock and then more plugins. A little bit challenging because if you have 4 people sleeping here, you only get 1 USB. So be prepared for that. Bring some extra USBs, maybe like a strip or something like that to hook up. Over here, you have some hooks so you can hang some bags or whatnot over there. Kind of a nice little touch. And then you have your AC unit on this side. I like the lights back here too. They have these pull things. So it's kind of neat. I like these little touches. Nice job, Universal. One of the things that we also love when we go to hotel rooms is these floors, this laminate like wood type floor. It just feels so much more clean when you stay at a resort. Here's our bathroom. So it's a split bathroom. Hi, hubby.
Hello.
My cameraman. We have 2 sinks here. I love that it's a split plan, so someone can take a shower, use the restroom, someone can get ready over here. If you have a family, that's 2 thumbs up. You have 2 sinks, got a couple of shelves here, plenty of towels, more towels up here, a plug-in, and your hair dryer right over here. And of course, a really nice mirror so you can check yourself out while you're getting ready. Inside here, you've got the toilet. You got some fun tile down here and a really nice clean shower. It's kind of smaller, a little tight space in here, but still really nice and clean. You got your surf and sand shampoo and conditioner in here. And you just have your shower head. We're gonna go check out the 2nd bedroom. This is where there is 1 queen bed. This is where you have most of your storage aside from the drawers in that main room. So hiding right behind here in this little cubby hole, this is pretty much all the storage that you have in this room. Also where your iron table is. You've got some hangers over here, and then what I love, the luggage rack back there. So you get one of those and some extra sheets just in case you get cold in here. Behind the door is where the safe lives. And then they do have some extra hooks down here, just like on the other side. Of course, your second TV over here. When you walk in here, don't be surprised if the TVs are really loud and Jurassic Park is blasting. It kind of gave both of us a little bit of a scare. Here's your bed. It's a queen. Let's see, let's test this out. I don't know about the comfort of this bed, but you got a queen bed. Queen bed here, 2 queen beds there. And what I like about this room is, especially for couples, if you're staying in here, you do have a little table on each side with a USB port. And then you have your little switch for your light and your remote. And last but not least, here's our view. Ta-da! It's a pretty view. That pool looks really inviting on this feels like 110 degree day. It's hot. One last thing I forgot to mention was the full-size mirror over here. I love my full-size mirrors to check yourself out before you head to the parks. We're getting ready to go explore Dockside for the first time. It's our first visit here, first time at a value resort. So we're gonna go check it out and we're bringing you along. It's a beautiful morning here at the Dockside. We're gonna head inside. People are getting ready to go to early park admission. Over here at transportation, they have a bulletin board where it shows your location compared to the parks, and it gives you a weather update so you can check out what the parks are like.
You can kind of see where Dockside and Surfside are located right here compared to the theme parks. So they're not actually located on the property like Hard Rock and Royal Pacific and Cabana Bay. So here's Universal Studios, here's Islands of Adventure, and down here you come down Universal Boulevard and Dockside and Surfside are right there. And once Epic Universe opens up, it's gonna be kind of over here, I believe.
It's only about a 7-minute ride to Universal too, so not bad. And it drops you off kind of by the parking lot.
Yeah, it really, I mean, it's a straight drive right whoop, to there, and you're in the parking lot, like Melissa said.
The buses run pretty often, so never more than like a 5-minute wait for the buses, which is really nice. That is your only way to get to the parks as far as Universal transportation from Dockside. It is slammed in here. It's pretty busy. It is 8:26 in the morning, and you can see Starbucks has a line wrapped around its stand over there. So there are a lot of early morning people, early risers heading out to the parks. Coming into the resort, you have a really nice summer feel. Over to the right of check-in is where luggage services is. So if you need to check in luggage until your resort room is ready, you can do that right over here at luggage services. Also, right behind me is where ticketing services is. So anything that you need as far as park tickets, any Universal vacation planning is right over here. Wes loves it when there's stores inside these resorts.
I love it.
I love it too, because that is an excuse for me to go shopping. We got some Jurassic Park merchandise for the 30th anniversary of Jurassic Park, one of Wes's favorite movies.
This is me when I'm hungry in the morning, right here. See this? Open mouth, insert food.
And of course you have some Minions merchandise over here. You're one in a Minion.
Oh, thank you. Banana.
Got some fluffy unicorn merchandise. And of course, every one of your resort stores is gonna have some Harry Potter merchandise because that is some of the most popular merchandise at the parks. And then you have your standard Universal merchandise as well. You guys, have you ever had the Birdie Bot beans?
These things are vicious. I had one of the vomit jelly beans one time, and my body thought that I was throwing up. Like, your eyes start watering, your mouth. Anyways, I'll spare you the gory details, but there are some nasty jelly beans in here.
Of course, if you forget anything at home, they always have, you know, baby stuff. Sunscreen's a big one here in Florida. Just your standard, ooh, look at this. Wine bottle opener. If you forget your wine bottle opener.
And I also see the Tide to Go
Oh,
pen.
yep, Tide to Go, definitely, especially if you get that pizza, Surfer Boy. I have to get this pink donut at some point. This has to be in our house. Like, I mean, I don't know, how can I pass up this donut one day? And then of course some swimsuits, goggles, all your pool merchandise, just in case you forget that and you want to go take a dip in the pool. These are actually really cute. Look at this. Universal's Endless Summer Resort. It's kind of nice too. It's a nice towel. I like it. We're gonna go check out Pier 8. This is your quick serve diner here at the resort. It's very similar to Cabana Bay's Bayliner Diner.
Say that 10 times fast.
They're serving breakfast right now. They've got all kinds of things, waffles, eggs, pancakes,
And being sucked in like a magnet.
chicken and waffles. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Breakfast pizzas? They have breakfast pizza here. Whoa, look at that.
Yes, please.
Those look really good. Ooh, breakfast quesadillas. For a quick serve, the food here looks pretty decent. They have scrambled bowls. So you can get like scrambled eggs and all your toppings. So you pick your toppings. Look at that, they even have potatoes in there. What? That looks so good. And then you have oatmeal and grits over here. I see donuts. I see a pink sprinkled donut over there.
Melissa has a little bit of a perplexed look on her face. And why? What's wrong, babe?
Because there's all kinds of yummy breakfast food over there and I don't have any in front of me.
Last night you said you didn't want to see any more food for the rest of the weekend.
That was last night.
Okay, so you've changed your mind.
Yeah.
We could go get it right now and come back right here and eat and do the rest of the tour. Yes, let's go get food. Come on, come on. I know that look, and when I see it, it means it's time to feed this one. It's like Jurassic Park feeding time.
Ooh, yeah, breakfast pizza. Let's do breakfast pizza.
You want a tray? Wow, looks good. Yeah, that's winning right there. All right, let's go.
Ooh, look at that. This is a veggie cup, I believe is what it's called, and it has egg whites in it, it has feta, it has spinach and tomato, and it's like a puff pastry.
There's an annoying fly buzzing around.
Lay off of my food, fly away. Oh, look at that. It is filled with egg white in there. And then it looks like the spinach, tomato, and feta are the toppings. That's good.
I think I like the breakfast options here at Dockside maybe a little better than Cabana Bay.
I think I agree. I mean, look at this pizza. What's not to love about that? And they custom made it for us. He got bacon, cheese, and egg on his, and I got broccoli, cheese, and egg on mine. I'm gonna go ahead and try this too, but I feel bad, hubby, because I know you're hungry.
That's okay. Yeah, good. That's cool.
That's good too. Hubby is over there licking his chops.
I want to eat. That's really good. It's really cheesy. The bacon is nice and crisp. The flatbread is good. It's definitely a win. I like it. Well, we also got a breakfast sandwich here. It looked good. Got a bacon, egg, and cheese with some more hash browns. I'm a sucker for these triangle hash browns. So anywhere there is triangle hash browns, uh-oh. Wait a second. They're not good? All right.
No, they actually have kind of a stale taste to them.
Oh no, yeah. Okay.
Definitely the pizza and the veggie bowl, the veggie egg bowl was really good.
I think we may have got some stale, been sitting out too long hash browns. We're gonna dig into the rest of the food and then we will continue on with the tour.
After a long day at the parks, you can come here to the Sunset Lounge and grab yourself a cocktail and relax. At 4 o'clock they open. If you want a cocktail before then, you have to head over to the Oasis bar at the pool.
You like my Hulk key? I like my Hulk key.
I like your Hulk card. I got Minions because it was the grand opening of Minions.
Ah, touche.
It looks really nice. We have a view of the pool from our hotel room. We like to do these tours early in the morning at the pool so it's not super busy.
Access denied.
Here's a nice view of the pool. They do have the lifeguards here and they have life jackets just in case you want one of those. Oh look, they have ping pong over here too. You can grab towels over here if you need towels, but lots of lounging area. Over here they have a beachy lounge area. Those are kind of popular here at the Universal Resorts. It looks like over here they may have some kind of fountains. It doesn't look like they have cabanas here. It's early in the morning, they just opened the pool so it's empty, but if you come here towards the middle of the day when people have already been in the park for a little bit, it is rocking over here. Check out the Oasis Beach Bar. Here's the cocktail menu. It looks like they got those machines ready to rock and roll for this afternoon. Looks like the Endless Summer Lemonade and the Surf Rider are some of their specialties here. Grab your drinks after a long day at the park and head over to the pool to relax. Ooh, I like this little hallway here. They do also have a fitness center here at Dockside. It looks like it's open from 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. I'm not gonna go inside because there are people enjoying a good workout, but that's your fitness center here at Dockside. We just found the game room. Let's go in. Woo, got some air hockey. We all know who wins at air hockey.
That was one time, okay? What is this? It's like a whole new take on the claw game. I kind of want to play it just because I've never seen one before. Although I don't know what I would do with a giant bear dressed like a bumblebee.
Jurassic Park. It's the perfect game for me today. So there's 2 towers here, Tower 1 and Tower 2. There is a second pool here. So each tower has its own pool. It looks like it has more of a beachy vibe to it. So you can see the sand where the beach chairs are over here. And they have their bar over here called the Wave Makers. Here's a tip. If you don't like to be in the sun when you go to the pool, come early in the morning because the building shades the pool, so you're not in the direct sunlight, and it looks really nice.
I hear something over here in the ferns. Oh, it's a Melissasaurus. Watch out. The Melissasauruses are often hangry in the morning. Luckily, this Melissasaurus has had breakfast.
It's all serious business here with the Travel and Foodie Warriors.
Yeah.
One thing that we haven't done in our other videos is talk about the parking. We thought the parking here at Dockside was pretty easy.
Yeah, it's nice because you've got a parking garage right here behind Tower 1, and you can see where Tower 1 is in relation to where the parking is. And also on the other side, Tower 2 has its own parking garage, and this is probably, what, 30 yards or so?
Yeah, 30 or 40 yards. So it's really nice. Each tower has its own pool and its own parking garage.
That's right. One thing I will say though, is it's not covered. So if it's raining or something like that, you're gonna have to unload up front.
And the other thing that was really nice is they had carts. So if you have a lot of stuff, you can grab one of those carts and head to your room. You don't have to worry about making multiple trips.
Or trying to unload everything up front at curbside.
Yes. So that was a nice perk of the parking garage here.
Definitely.
We really had a fantastic time. It was our first time staying at a value resort, so something different, and we had a really good stay here.
Yeah, it was cool. You know, we like Melissa said, we've never stayed at a value resort, but if you're looking to save some money but still be close to the Universal Orlando parks, this is a great place to stay. They're literally right down the road. And you've got Surfside right across the street too, which they're both part of the Endless Summer resorts. So great options if you're looking to save some money.
Thank you guys for hanging out with us, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button below.
And check out this video right here, which is another one of our resort and room tours.
See you guys on the next one. One last thing about this room is, whoa! Be careful with the stool. I can't, my eyes are like watering.